Let's show it to the Boy Scout Master. Boy Scout Master Brian?
Yes. Whoa! That's so cool.
Yeah.
There you go, a badge.
Thank you.
All right.
I'm tired. Well, time to go to bed. Gotta change first. Alright, good night. Sweet dreams, don't let the bed bugs bite. Good morning. Let me get changed to get in my Boy Scout clothes so we can go home. It's going home day.
True formation. We're going home today.
Yay!
All right, when we get in my car, we can go home.